Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
Certain individuals claiming to be members of Labour Party that are calling for the formation of an interim administration and claiming that they are against the swearing in of the president-elect as declared by the Independent National Electoral Commission. And the people behind it are Julius Abure, the former National Chairman of Labour Party, Kenneth Okonkwo, Obiora Ifo, and Dr. Tanko Yunusa, and we are calling for their arrest and prosecution by the Inspector General of Police for breach of peace and an act that will undermine the unity of Nigeria. Following series of agitation and call for the restraining the president-elect from being sworn in on May 29, 2023, Labour Party hereby allay the fears of Nigerians that the swearing in of the president-elect will not have an impact on the ongoing legal tussle in the president election tribunal involving our party, APC, and INEC. Tribunal involving our party, APC, and INEC.
I am totally disappointed at Channels TV. I think I should just unfollow them right now. Yes, this just clarified that all what this man is saying is just a script written by the APC given to him to go to Channels TV and deceive the general public. Nigerians, it is time to wake up. We all are Nigerians. We all seek for a better Nigeria. And in this same video, this man also made a statement. We all know Tinubu traveled yesterday. And this man said, if the president-elect die, it is constitutional to swear in the vice president. Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Let me leave that for now. Just continue watching the video. You see more and more evidence that this guy is not from Labour Party. He is representing APC to destroy Labour Party. Watch, share, and comment your opinion.
Tribunal involving our party, APC, and INEC. You will recall the television interview by the legal luminary, Chief Femi Falana SN, who explicitly posited the position of the law on the election matter at the tribunal, and Labour Party was in agreement with him because the issue had been properly dissected by the legal jurisprudence, who affirmed that the statement credited to Cardinal Onoyekon may not be feasible, as the current legal tussle may take more than 3 months before it could be finally disposed of. The Electoral Act and Constitution of Nigeria does not give room for vacuum. So whether the president-elect is sworn in or not, there is right to remove him legally if found that he was not duly elected, according to Chief Femi Falana. While citing an example, like the 2003 election of Peter Obi and Chris Igigi, Ahmed Dati, our current vice president candidate, and who got elected as a senator then, and Masari, the Agwe governor of Katsina. The judiciary played the role it was expected of it, and those that lost at the court vacated their seat in spite of spending some time at the seat then. Mr. Peter Obi started afresh, likewise others, and that's why we're having staggered election in some states, including Anambra. Now let me now delve on the constitutional provision on when the president-elect may not be sworn in, so that most of us, the obedient family, Labour Party family, and the obedient, those calling for war in Nigeria, will know. Section 136 sub 1 of the 1999 Constitution as amended states, if the president-elect die before taking oath of allegiance and oath of office, the vice president will be sworn in as president the vice president-elect, who is now the president, will nominate a new vice president with an approval of a simple majority of the joint sitting of both the Senate and the House of Reps. Section 136(2) of the National Constitution as amended states, where both the president-elect and vice president-elect die before they are sworn in, the INEC shall immediately conduct an election for the president and the vice president. Now, constitutional provision on when there is a vacancy in the presidency. Section 146 sub 1 of the National Constitution as amended states as follows: where the office of the president is vacant and as a result of death or resignation, impeachment, or permanent incapacity or removal from any other reason, the vice president shall be sworn in as president. While Section 146 sub 2 of the National Constitution amended state that where the seat of both the president and vice president become vacant, the Senate president shall hold office for the president for no more than 3 months, within which an election for a new president will be conducted to complete the remaining period. Section 146(3) of the same National Constitution as amended said, the new president elected shall nominate a vice president who shall now nominate a vice president with the approval of the Senate and the House of Reps. The only time the Senate president can hold the office of the president is where both the president and the vice president are incapacitated, and the Senate president can only hold office for no more than 3 months. It became very clear, those people calling, especially Dr. Tanko Yunusa and Kenneth Okonkwo, who are calling that the Senate president should be sworn in. We need to allow the Nigerian police, because if the Constitution says the only condition where a Senate president will hold an office is when both the vice president and the president and vice president are incapacitated. We don't know why they are calling for this. Probably they want to incapacitate the president-elect and vice president-elect. The police will need to do their work on that. Now, what Peter B is crying for is not supported by the law. Our law provides that where an election is challenged, the winner will be sworn into the office and will continue to act in that capacity until the hearing and determination of the petition challenging the election. A refusal to swear in the president-elect as president will create a vacuum in the system. Which law above, from President Obasanjo to Yar'Adua to Jonathan to Buhari, this has remained the law and the system. Why should the position change now when the law has not been changed? Our law does not provide for interim president in the circumstance. The only time we had an interim president in Nigeria was Chief Ernest Shonekan, which was a military stunt and not a constitutional procedure. Even Peter B has also benefited from the system, being sworn into office irrespective of pending petition at the tribunal. Peter B was sworn to office as governor, while Andy Uba went to the tribunal to challenge his election. And at no time did anybody say an interim governor should be sworn in. The law has to be complied with, which is to swear in the president-elect. Even though we are not of the same party, but Labour Party believe in the rule of law, and such, that law must be complied with. If anybody wants to challenge the narrative, they will have to change the law, but with what we have now in our constitution today, their demands are not backed up by any law. It is null and void of no confidence. It is misconceived and show a serious ignorance of the law. Labour Party therefore warn all the obedient to understanding parading themselves as LB member and other obedient who may be agitating that the president-elect should not be sworn in to have a rethink, as Labour Party will not support any unlawful means of agitation or change of government violently. We cannot throw the baby away with the bathwater. The same election brought in our candidate who won in the last general election. We have so many House of Assembly, senators, and House of Reps. Now, who want to be judgmental must not be selective. Those who come to equity must come with clean hand. How can the election be discredited for a winner, but credible for the winner among members of the opposition party, including Labour Party? What we should be working for is how to suddenly review our election process, so we do have a winner who will be sworn in and who everybody will rally around. The Labour Party will continue to pursue our matter in court only lawfully with all vigor, whether Tinubu is sworn in or not. Finally, Labour Party presently want to announce to Nigeria that we are under the siege of political vampires, political buccaneers, predators, and emergency democrats, where some civilian in military camouflage want to conspire with the dictate of informing Nigeria to stage a coup d'etat against May 29 Nigeria. That we will not support. And we also want to challenge our presidential candidate that on a moral ground, he needed to be found on the side of law, because we must show to Nigeria that even if victory is given to us at the presidential election petition at the Court of Appeal or Supreme Court, other candidates will respect it. Therefore, once we want that candidate to respect the decision of the court in our favor, we must also respect the decision of court against us. Thank you very much. Now, also, there are certain situations going on, in Nigeria about the absence of our acting national chairman. We want to place it on record that because we are lawful and we do not want any skirmishes, Baba presently will now begin to appear in court on behalf of Labour Party, while our presidential candidate will now be standing in for himself as the presidential candidate. Because in that court, before election tribunal, what we have is Peter Obi and Labour Party. So for Labour Party, the only recognized body that will not be representing Labour Party is Alhaji Lamidi Apapa. Any other person there is an impostor, and this will now show to the whole world and the court that Baba Papa, Alhaji Lamidi Apapa, is the national chairman of our party, and we shall now appear in court. And on any adjournment date now, Alhaji Lamidi Apapa, will come to court. Also, what we are now telling the Director General of Police is this: all these antics to surveillance Nigeria is being carried out at the headquarters of the Obidati Campaign Organization. It is not from Labour Party Secretariat. So the secretariat should beam their searchlight on that party secretariat between now and May 29, so that the people will not conduct themselves in an act that like to call of peace in Nigeria. And I also want to warn or admonish with the opposition. Let me congratulate Governor Adeleke of Osun, the Senator Ademola Adeleke of Osun State, for his victory yesterday at the Supreme Court. But also at the same time, with the opposition, we need to be very careful, because no member of the opposition has now condemned the judiciary for giving victory, during that victory, to the PDP in Osun State. I didn't mean it went otherwise now. A lot of opposition parties will be crying wolf all around that, judiciary has compromised. We should stop insulting our judicial system. We should stop insulting our judges, simply because we only want opposition to celebrate when victory are given to us. It is very wrong. So, Senator Ademola Adeleke, Labour Party is congratulating you, and we wish you well, in your tenure, as a duly elected executive governor of Osun State. And all opposition, please, whatever decision of the election presidential tribunal in Abuja and Supreme Court, we must respect it, because no political party in the opposition, like I said, has come out now to discredit that judgment because it's opposition. Judiciary is not about opposition. Judiciary is all about Nigeria, for Nigeria and by Nigerians. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.